Hi all, good evening. This video is regarding the last session which I have missed. Let's start. How will my life be different in this year? Myself Somu, in next few minutes I'll be discussing about the one thing that I must do to live a powerful life is selecting the right mentor at a right time. Here is the phrase: it's never too late to be who you might have been. Selecting the right mentor at a right time. Firstly, I want to discuss about the right time is time, and after a few minutes I will be discussing about my right mentor. So, coming to the time, so which has a more value, either time or money? Yes, time is more worth than money. You can get more money, but you can't get more time. So I can explain with 3 examples in my life. 1, I can promise I can't make more time. Yes, in fact, this has happened to me when I have not taken a right decision in joining the SIB program before 3 years, that I came to know that time is much more valuable than money. And because of you can use your time to make money, but you can't use money to purchase more time. This is the first takeaway I have taken. The second, I can do more with a day off than with a day's pay. So, too many things in my mind streaming. The process of everyone earns different amounts, but a day's time paid to a rich person or a poor person is still same. So to avoid this obstacle, I used to take a day off than with a day's pay, and I used to spend time with my family or with my kid. The third takeaway: time creates more memories than money. Think back to the best moments of in my life so far. So how many of them are based on money, and how many are based on time spent with my friends and family members? I think very rare. Do we sit back and think now for some time? Yes. The time we spend in SIB from last 3 months, which creates more memories, which is priceless. By having more fun and doing more good practices and activities, which is marvelous. Guys, just think, if this session is going to end in next few weeks, recreate our memories. Yeah, some other examples in my life. So the day I got selected for a big MNC last 10 years back, so I had a happy moment in my life, which is priceless. And the day when I traveled to onsite for a 6 months from Bangalore to Australia, and the day I got married, and the day I spent with my son from last 5 years is this time is priceless. So now I want to move to the right mentor and the takeaways from my right mentor. So what are the qualities I have seen from my right mentor? So I have seen his care and look towards near to the family. Like I can give examples of two. When I got a fever last 1 month or 2 months back, and even I am worried with the COVID test, and the care which has taken from my mentor and other colleagues and the team members is the nearest person. The second thing, recently when I went to hometown for my mother health purpose, the care which my mentor has taken with the colleagues and the team members, he messaged personally. So this is the first quality which I have taken from him. The second one, whether my mentor has a right results or not. Yes, I have seen some of my senior colleagues like Rajesh Mahapatra and Kalpana Palash and some other people, their results which they are explaining in front of the videos. There itself, I found that he is the right person and he is giving the right results. The third thing, like regarding his character, my mentor character, like he is very honesty and love and gratitude and take care person. The fourth thing is like a lifestyle. I like his lifestyle where I want to follow in future. And the fifth one, does my mentor has a mission or not? Yes. He is having a mission, like he want to see the world with a peace. So he always says, a man without a mission is not a man, it's a boy. So these are the takeaways from my mentor. So now ball is in my court to take the action and transform myself, family and other people. So here are some of the benefits I got it from last 3 months. 1. Morning affirmations, which have been considered a part of my daily routine. So I use them daily to condition my mind and beliefs to move me towards my goals. Like I am a powerful body, powerful soul and powerful mind, and I speak with extreme confidence. The second thing, I used to follow the 10x productivity by setting the goals and reach the right pathway towards my career. The third thing, like I have taken some of the key takeaways from wealth creation, where I got more confidence and I can create wealth in my life. So coming to the conclusion, so selecting the right mentor at the right time is a one thing that I must live for a powerful life. I am an action taker. I transform myself, my family, and other people. I am an unstoppable human being. Thank you.